and I underline all the words that I don't know. You see, it's only in Spanish, and I will tell you what I did. Let's read. Esta mañana, cuando me he levantado, ¿sabes qué es lo primero que he hecho esta mañana? En cuanto me he levantado. No, no me he puesto a ver Facebook. No, tampoco me he puesto a consultar el móvil, ni a ver vídeos en YouTube, ni a ver fotografías en Instagram. Lo primero que he hecho esta mañana y cuando me he levantado ha sido mirar por la ventana. Sí, he abierto la ventana de mi dormitorio y yo mirando fuera. He mirado hacia el cielo y me he puesto contento. Forgive me. Y me he puesto contento. ¿Sabes por qué me he puesto contento? Me he puesto contento porque ho visto il cielo. He visto un cielo azul precioso sin nubes y el buen tiempo me pone y a mí el buen tiempo me pone de buen humor. A mí el buen tiempo siempre me ha puesto de buen humor. Y entonces, ¿sabes qué he hecho? Pues me he duchado, me he vestido, he desayunado desayunando deprisa, me he lavado los dientes, me he afeitado, me he puesto las gafas de sol, he cogido la mochila y salido de casa. La verdad es que tendría que haberme cuidado y preparar algunas clases y corregir los deberes de mis estudiantes, pero no tenía ganas. Fuera hacia el sol se estaba muy bien y no me apetecía nada que quedarme en casa. Al fin y al cabo, en Londres no echa buen tiempo muy a menudo y hay que aprovechar los días de sol. Al fin y al cabo, en Londres no echa buen tiempo y muy a menudo y hay que aprovechar los días de sol. You see how bad I read? It's because it's probably the first thing I read loud, and I know it's funny, and I know if you try to do this with me, you're gonna feel embarrassed and funny as I feel right now. But don't give up here. It's uncomfortable, but you already read one page with me in a very funny Spanish, and this is great. So I'm gonna read you all the words that I did not know, and I write them on a piece of paper over here, and you're gonna learn these words with me. Levanto o levantado, it means to get up. Levanto, levantado, get up or stand up. I am gonna give you the words in Spanish and in English, and your homework will be to study them. I study them, and you should do the same if you wanna learn the language with me. So what I did, I will show you. I wrote them down here under. You're gonna see all this is alphabets. I write levantado, get up. Levantado, get up. So I write the word, I pronounce it, and I said the meaning in English. So what this do? You have the senses of feeling and touching and writing. Writing and seeing. Levantado. Then what you do, you pronounce the word levantado or levantarme. It means to wake up, and then you recall the meaning. Levantado. Levantado, it means to get up. Tampoco. Neither. So for all these words that I'm gonna say twice in English and in Spanish, I want you to do exactly this work that I'm doing right now. Just have in mind, Spanish is very easy to write. You write exactly what you hear. So, with some exceptions, but most of the time, yes. So you're not gonna have a very hard time to make this exercise that I just show you. Tampoco, neither. Ha sido, has been. Ha sido, has been. Dormitorio. Dormitorio, it's mean bedroom, where you sleep. Hacia, it's towards or versus something. Prezioso, precious. Me pone, makes me. Entonces, salía les escales. And then I went up the stairs. Deprisa. Deprisa, it's like quickly. Afeitado is shave, afeitado. Las gafas de sol, sunglasses. Gafas de sol, sunglasses. Mochila. Mochila is a backpack, usually it's a school backpack, and this is a slang. Is to have. I don't know exactly how to pronounce it, so if you do this class with me, you can write below how to pronounce io tenía ie. He. I'm not so sure if you write it or you say yeah or tenía. Tendría is would have. Tendría is I had to do something. Yo tendría lavar los platos. I had to wash the dishes, I think. Corregir is to correct. Corregir, to correct. Deberes, it's homework or school homework. Deberes, homework. Ganas, I didn't want to. Tengo la gana, no tengo la gana. I want something, I don't want something. Apetecia, o quería, I wanted something. Y al cabo, in the end or in the end of the day. Menudo is a little or small or tiny. Que aprovechar, to take advantage of something or have fun. And now that I have all these words, I'm gonna read the meaning of this in English. You see what we do? We did it in Spanish. We study the words that we don't know, which I tell you how I did. And now I'm gonna read it and tell you what this little story means. Esta mañana, this morning, cuando me he levantado, when I wake up or got up. ¿Sabes qué es lo primero que yo he hecho esta mañana en cuanto me he levantado? Do you know what's the first thing that I did this morning when I get up? No me he puesto a ver Facebook. No, I did not put myself to see Facebook. No, tampoco me he puesto a consultar el móvil, ni a ver videos en YouTube, ni a ver las fotografías en Instagram. No, neither I put myself to consultar is consult or check my mobile phone, nor see videos on YouTube, nor see photographies on Instagram. The first thing that I did this morning, la primero que yo hecho esta mañana en cuando me he levantado, ha sido mirar por la ventana. Ha sido, it's a form of a verb and it means has been. So, the first thing that I did this morning when I get up, it was to look the window or to look outside the window. Yes, sí, he aperto la ventana de mi dormitorio y me mirando fuera. Yes, I opened the window of my bedroom and I look outside. I look mirando hacia el cielo y me he puesto contento. Y me ha puesto contento. Yes, I look toward the sky, el cielo is sky, y me he puesto contento, and I feel content or happy. ¿Sabes por qué me he puesto contento? Do you know why I feel content or happy? Me he puesto contento perché ho visto il cielo. Porque I was feeling content because I see the sky. He visto un cielo azul precioso sin nubes. I see a blue sky. Precioso, it means precious or lovely. So I see a beautiful blue sky without clouds. Sin nubes. Without clouds. Y ya el buen tiempo me pone de buen humor. And for me, the good weather makes me have a good humor or good mood. A mí el bien tiempo siempre me ha puesto de buen humor. For me, the good weather has always bring me a good mood. Entonces, and then, do you know what I did? ¿Sabes qué yo he hecho? Pues, then I shower, put my clothes, and deprisa is deprisa. I'm confusing this with depresa. Deprisa is quickly or fast, like this. So, he desayunando deprisa, me he lavado los dientes, me he afeitado, me he puesto las gafas de sol, he cogido la mochila, he salido de casa. Then, me duchando, I shower, me vestido, I put clothes on. Desayunando deprisa. It's quickly eat breakfast. I wash my tooth, lavando los dientes. Afeitado is shaved. Me he puesto las gafas de sol. I shaved and I put my sunglasses. And I got cogido. Cogido is to take. I couldn't find what it means to take. La mochila. He salido de casa. I grabbed my backpack and I went out of my home. La verdad es que yo tenía que corregir cuadro y preparar algunas clases. The truth is that I was supposed to be careful and prepare algunas clases. And prepare some classes y corregir los deberes de mis estudiantes, pero no tenía ganas. And to correct the homework of my students, but I didn't have desire, I didn't want to. Fuori hacía el sol. Outside was sunny. Se estaba muy bien y yo no me apetecía nada a quedarme en casa. Apetecía is I didn't want to or like desire for something. So there was sunny outside and it was so lovely, so nice that I didn't feel like quedarme, it's close myself and sit inside of the home. In the end of the day, or al fin y al cabo. Al cabo is mean at the end, and al fin y al cabo. In the end of the day, en Londres non ece buen tempo. In the end of the day, in Londra was not usually a great weather. Menudo, it's small. A menudo hay que aprovechar los días de sol. This means, and a little that you have to enjoy or take advantage of the sunny days. Wow. Do you see? So all the words that I didn't know, I write down, and I did this exercise. I write them, pronounce them. Me pone de buen humor. It makes me feel good. I write them down. I will advise you to do the same. And stay tuned. Me and you, we are gonna have many of those very weird classes in Spanish that I'm not so sure if you pronounce something, if you don't, but we are not gonna stop. So that was studying Spanish together with you guys. If you like this video, press your thumbs up and share and subscribe. And if you use this video to learn English, I hope you like it too. Gracias, meus amigos. Buenos días. Ciao.